night, partner.
Good night, Miss Paola.
What's your name?
My name is Leonardo Poveda.
How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
Tell me about yourself.
I am professional in plastic engineer, degree of University X. I graduated in December of 2008. I have a title of specialization in project management. On my work experience is to focus the plastic and chemical.
How do you work with companies? Describe it.
My main skills are organization, punctuality, versatility, fast learning, responsible and honest.
What is your greatest strength in weakness?
My great strength is perseverance, and my biggest weakness is that when I have to fulfill certain functions to live as rarely as possible and allow time to make a review.
What was your job?
I am production management in plastic company.
Where did your job?
I work in the big factory just outside the city. There are a lot of machine working all the day big operators.
What responsibilities do you have at work?
As I said, I am the production management, and main responsibility is to follow and supervise the operator of machines.
Describe your activities at work.
I have to coordinate and manage the operator work and ensure the environment is safe.
Thank you, Leonardo. Bye.
Thank you, Paola.